What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this glowing eye effect inside of Adobe Lightroom. You can do a more complicated version of a glowing eye effect inside of Adobe After Effects, but if you just want something quick and easy and you're inside Lightroom anyways like I am here, then this might be a quick solution you want to try out. So I'm going to go over and go to this picture of Optimus Prime that I have here that does not yet have glowing eyes. I'm going to zoom in to his head here. And then I'm going to grab the brush tool over here to the right. Make sure you're in develop mode and not library mode. Grab that brush tool or press K on your keyboard and adjust the size of your brush with the scroll wheel on your mouse. So as you can see, you can make it bigger or smaller. And then make sure that the feather amount for the brush is quite high. So I would say 90 or above. I'm going to turn mine all the way to 100. Then what you're going to want to do is simply adjust the size and paint over the eye with the brush, and you can do it to both eyes here and they will be the same brush instance. So when you grab the brush here, it will be changing the adjustments for both of them. But go ahead and just highlight the area you want to be highlighted, and then over here you can make adjustments. So by default what it does is it makes the brushed areas have a higher exposure, which is exactly what we want. Go ahead and just crank that up even further to something like that. You can press K on your keyboard again to let go of the brush, zoom out, and see how it looks. So for this picture, the eyes are fairly far away, and I think it's already looking pretty good. I'm going to go back in there to make some adjustments. You can grab the brush tool again, then grab that instance of the brush by clicking on the little handle there that it leaves, and then you can make some further adjustments. Usually exposure is all I really care to make. You could increase the whites if you wanted to. You could increase the highlights if you wanted to. You might do the contrast. Just play around with it until it gets to the look you want. One of the really cool things you can do is change the hue here. So for example, if you wanted this Optimus Prime to have yellow eyes like his G1 counterpart, then there you go. There's some yellow eyes on Prime. And so there you go. That's all there is to it. That is a quick and easy way to make some pretty decent looking glowing eyes inside of Adobe Lightroom. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you want to learn more about visual effects or stop motion animation, please check out the other tutorials on my channel and consider supporting my channel on Patreon. And also be sure to check out my channel for more Transformers content. And thanks for watching.